Learn English with Jenny. Please like, share and subscribe for more content. Are you tired?
Yes, I am.
Is it raining outside?
No, it is not.
Am I late for work?
No, you are not.
Are they at home?
Yes, they are.
Is this your coffee?
No, it is not.
Are we ready to go?
Yes, we are.
Is the meeting at 10 a.m.?
No, it is at 11 a.m.
Are you feeling well?
Yes, I am feeling great.
Is the library open today?
Yes, it is.
Are your keys on the table?
No, they are not.
Were you at the party night?
Yes, I was.
Was the movie good?
No, it was not.
Were they happy with the gift?
Yes, they were.
Was it cold yesterday?
Yes, it was.
Were the windows closed?
No, they were not.
Were we on time for the appointment?
Yes, we were.
Was the food delicious?
No, it was not very good.
Were you feeling nervous?
Yes, I was a little bit.
Was the traffic bad this morning?
No, it was not bad.
Were your shoes comfortable?
Yes, they were very comfortable.
Who is calling?
She is your mother.
What time is it?
It is 3 p.m.
Where are you going?
I am going to the store.
Why are you late?
I missed the bus.
How do I get to the train station?
You can take a taxi or the bus.
Whose phone is this?
It is Jenny's phone.
Which book are you reading?
I am reading a mystery novel.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Who lives next door?
A nice family lives next door.
Why are you learning English?
I am learning English to travel more.
Who made dinner last night?
My brother made dinner.
What did you do yesterday?
I went to the park with my friends.
Where did you go on vacation?
I went to the beach.
Why were you upset?
I was upset because I lost my phone.
How did you meet your best friend?
We met in school.
Whose birthday was it last week?
It was my sister's birthday.
Which movie did you see?
I saw the new comedy.
What was your favorite subject in school?
My favorite subject was English.
Who taught you how to ride bike?
My dad taught me.
Why did you move to this city?
I moved for a new job opportunity.
Is it a cat?
Yes, it's.
Are you happy?
Yes, I'm.
Is this red?
No, it's not.
Are we late?
No, we are not.
Is it raining?
Yes, it's.
Was it hot yesterday?
Yes, it's hot.
Were you sleeping?
No, we were not.
Was the door open?
No, it was not.
Are you hungry?
Yes, I'm.
Are we finished?
Yes, we are.
What is your name?
My name is John.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am.
Where is the library?
The library is next to the park.
Was it raining yesterday?
Yes, it was.
What were you doing last night?
I was watching TV.
Is this your bag?
No, it isn't.
Are they siblings?
Yes, they are.
Where was she born?
She was born in France.
Am I late?
No, you're not.
What are you cooking for dinner?
I am making spaghetti.
Is that your cat?
Yes, it is.
Were you at the party last weekend?
No, I wasn't.
Are we there yet?
No, we're not.
Where is your brother?
He is at work.
Is this the correct answer?
Yes, it is.
Am I dreaming?
No, you're not.
Were they happy with the result?
Yes, they were.
Are you ready for the test?
Yes, I am.
Is she your friend?
Yes, she is.
Was it a long journey?
Yes, it was.
Are they coming to the party?
No, they aren't.
Am I allowed to go?
Yes, you are.
Were you at home yesterday?
No, I wasn't.
Is this the right way to the station?
No, it isn't.
Are you feeling okay?
Yes, I am.
Was he at the meeting?
Yes, he was.
Are these your keys?
No, they aren't.
Am I supposed to be here?
Yes, you are.
Were they twins?
No, they weren't.
Is this your first time here?
No, it isn't.
Well done following our English class today. You did very well to listen and learn so much. Your support helps us to make more quality content for you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comments for more lessons. Thank you.